Wow, Patlu, a real chocolate river. We have to go right now. A chocolate river in the jungle. Isn't this exciting, Patlu? I can't wait to see what's ahead. Yes, Motu, but do be careful where you step. Wow, Patlu, this jungle is amazing. I hope we find some samosas soon.
Yes, but we must be careful, Motu.
This is wonderful. Motu, are you sure that's safe? Patlu, help! I'm sinking. Oh dear, Motu. Pull harder. It seems to be quicksand. I can't get out of this chocolate trap. It's too thick. Just hold still, Motu. I am thinking. I am pushing it, Motu. It is working perfectly.
Hurry, Dr. Jhatka. I am almost out.
The oscillation matrix seems stable. Faster, Motu. Keep the rhythm. Now, pull the lever now. It's no use. I'm sinking. Help me. I can't hold on.